Alrighty, boys and girls, if you're holding meme coins on ETH, you really want to pay attention to today's video, as ETH is looking like it's gonna break out and follow Solana, as Solana now is at its previous all-time high and ETH is way below its all-time high. And I do think it's about time we see ETH starts to move. So if you're holding any meme coin like Pepe and Nero or Turbo or Brett on ETH, you really want to know what's going on right now with ETH, as it is the leader. If ETH starts pumping, our meme coins on ETH are gonna do fantastic and starts pumping as well. So recently we've seen Solana leading the charge here in this bull market, where Solana is already at its all-time high, but it is way below its all-time high. Now Solana has been the public's favorite, where everybody's trading on Solana and meme coins on Solana and gambling on meme coins on Solana, even though top meme coins on Solana did not do as great. As if you look at top meme coins that made it to billions of dollars in their market cap, most of them are on ETH. For every meme coin on Solana that goes to billions, there are 4 from ETH that goes to billions. So Solana's main problem is the dilution and the amount of meme coins that are launching every day, which are in the thousands and the thousands, if not in the millions every day. But not only this really helps Solana be one of those leading chains in this cycle when it comes to its price action, and it's already reached its all-time high. So ETH right now is the next in this play. Now we know ETH already has an ETF, and ETFs were the main thing that got Bitcoin to pump this hard, and we've seen an all-time high on Bitcoin before the halving, which never happened before, and that's all due to those ETFs. Now ETH has those ETFs, Solana doesn't have. Now it shows you how strong or what a meme coin chain can do, because Solana has a lot of meme coins in it. It really outperformed ETH. That's one thing to really keep in mind. That's why also ETH is most likely to shift towards a full-blown meme coin season, and meme coins on ETH to really start outperforming, and most likely ETH whales and ETH people are going to start supporting more memes on ETH to actually follow the trend and follow what's working right now in the space. Now when it comes to just the price action on ETH, it is very clear. So up top here we got Solana, and down below we got ETH. It's pretty much similar, guys, if you just look at it this way, if we can really fit those two together here. So what we see is that we had a pretty obvious bear market here on the 2 here, and the 2021 high on Solana as well. Now Solana is right at its all-time high. It's right here. Now this is the 2024 all-time high for Solana as well on ETH. Now you can see Solana is way above it. It's broken out. It's almost the same thing here, as you can see. And now ETH is about to break it. Now ETH is at 3,500. This is pretty much the highest since August ETH has been, right? The highest. Now it is pretty much showing a lot of strength, and once it's gonna break out and start going towards its all-time high, meme coins on ETH are gonna do great. And I do think we're gonna see a lot of support from ETH towards meme coins on ETH, as pretty much this is what's driving demand right now in the market. As you can see, Solana is doing very good. Solana really did enjoy that meme coin frenzy and mania, so I do think we're gonna see the same thing playing out on ETH, which really is gonna help a lot to help our meme coins. So when it comes to Pepe, as we can see in the previous video what I made about Pepe, if you're holding Pepe right now, or if you bought the top on Pepe, you are in 2 different spots right now. Now you can see that if you bought Pepe recently because it got viral and I made a video where usually whenever I see spikes in views and demand for people watching, trying to see what Pepe is doing, it usually happens around local tops for Pepe. For some reason, people like to buy the tops, but it never fails. That's something you really don't want to be doing. You really want to be buying low and holding for the pumps, not buying when things pump. But it's the human nature. People likes to FOMO. Without those people FOMOing, we will never get pumps. So if you do enjoy buying pumps, we can see that since then Pepe is still accumulating here, cooling off, right? This is something very normal to see. If you bought the top on Pepe, this is something very normal to see. Something that we see as well Pepe doing is that it's usually bounce off its previous all-time high, which was around here. Now it all depends what ETH is gonna do. If ETH is really breaking out, we're gonna see Pepe holding above its previous all-time high and maybe shooting back up. Now we have good news as well for Brett on ETH, which actually put in a nice decent low here, and it's pulling back up. It went as low as $15 million market cap. Now it's at around 21. It really was a very good buy the dip opportunity here that we had on Brett on ETH. It's now bouncing up nicely here, and as well you can see that how it follows ETH. As soon as ETH starts moving, we see those meme coins on ETH doing very well, and especially now that we recently had this top meme coins pumping. Now it's cooling off in money rotation, is slowly flowing back down. Now it's soon gonna see its way towards lower market cap coins like Brett on ETH here at $20 million in its market cap. As well, you need to keep in mind that everything will pump. At some point, everything will pump, especially people that are holding turbos. Now, Turbo has been really underperforming since it got listed on Binance. Now it's at $400 million, almost $500 million in its market cap. Now, I do not personally hold Turbo, but I see a lot of people searching for it. And as a lot of people are searching for it on YouTube, it's just fair to tell them what's going on here, or my opinion on Turbo, basically. And Turbo has been also underperforming. I do think it's gonna benefit from that pump on ETH when ETH is gonna start pumping, as well as we've seen a lot of meme coins recently cooling off when it comes to these top meme coins. They haven't been really performing well, and especially Solana ones. Now Popcat is down 23%, BONK and Dog we've had. Now what you need to know is Solana meme coins are not really your strong chain meme coins. Solana is a G-Lana, we call it here. Like Solana is very high volatility. You could really catch a 100x pump per day or lose all your money the same day. So it's the type of chain when you're going onto Solana, that's what you're basically doing. It doesn't matter if like BONK now is on Coinbase. It doesn't matter if it's on Coinbase or not, as the fact that it's on Solana really gets it struggling against ETH meme coin. Now you can see ETH meme coins are doing much better than Solana ones, and Dogecoin is almost now coming back up. Dogecoin is in its own chain. It's its own blockchain. It's not on ETH. It's not on Solana. It's not on any chain. It's in its own blockchain. And basically now we're seeing slowly these call off, and other meme coins that are low caps are starting to move. Now you guys see exactly what I mean by money rotation, but this is still just a test run. This is not really it, right? This is not really the pump that we are waiting for, as long as Bitcoin dominance now is pulling back a little bit, which is going to help our ETH starts to move and get us those whales happy and feeling rich and starting to bid on our meme coins. Not only that, Bitcoin dominance is what you really want to be looking at here. Bitcoin dominance is still on its massive uptrend. Now it's losing steam, right? Thank God it's losing steam. We might see it start to break up, but I do think it's still gonna kind of range in here until next year, where we're really gonna see that massive altcoin season. So you guys still have like maybe a month, which is December month, to accumulate a little bit, to accumulate more, preparing for the actual true bull market, which is gonna happen here. Now it's gonna be one of those massive bull markets, guys. No matter what happens, people are gonna always call tops because they have this PTSD from 2021. As soon as we get a pump, they don't respect the pumps anymore in this space. People have a lot of PTSD from 2021 and they start disbelieving. We're still in the disbelief. A true bull market happens with mania and hype, and everybody's actually enjoying the pump, actually happy, actually making money. So this all tells me, especially if you're not on Twitter, if you're on Twitter, you understand what I'm talking about. A lot of people are literally calling tops each time we pump. They're not respecting the pumps, literally. Which means we're not yet in the super hype mania phase. Bitcoin dominance has been on this uptrend for over 700 days for more than 2 years. You got it right, guys. For more than 2 years, Bitcoin dominance has just been going up. Now, even though we caught a lot of meme coins early on my channel, we made a lot of money. This is not the case for most of the people. Most of the people were down for 2 years. Not only that, it's gonna take 2 years for Bitcoin dominance to go down. It's gonna take a lot of time for it to cool off, which also tells us that we are in for 2 years of pumps until people start finally respecting the pumps and start finally being happy with the pumps, and we actually start to get a true mania and hype and cool. I miss those cool times in the crypto space when everybody was just happy for the pump. I do actually generally miss those. But what you see here, guys, is Bitcoin dominance still got at least 2 years to go, where it is gonna be on a bull market, like a 2 years of an altcoin season. Now, to not freak out everybody and to not jinx this, we got 1 year of this just going down, meaning we're getting a strong bull market. So you guys are still early. We're still early here. Now, I've been accumulating in buying since 2023. I stopped shorting the market since 2023. Basically in 2022, my bread and butter was just to short the market. But since 2023, I changed my mind and I started to only buy because I expected a bull market to be ahead of us, which I do think now we're still now nearing the Bitcoin dominance top, which means now we still have 1 year of altcoin season while Bitcoin is doing its thing, either going up or down or sideways. We don't care much about Bitcoin now as Bitcoin dominance starts to go down and actually ETH starts to outperform. And one last thing before we end this video, guys, is XRP. Are you watching what's going on with XRP, guys, here? This is crazy. This is actually something crazy. I don't know if you guys are watching this, but after 900 days of sideways, XRP now putting its highest performance since 2017. In 2 weeks, it made the 2021 look like it was a bear market rally. In 2 weeks, XRP is almost close to its all-time high. It did not do that in 2021. You can see that the difference between the 2017 and 2021 rally on XRP very big. But now the difference between 2021 and 2024 leading towards 2025, it's almost close to its all-time high. What this tells you guys is the market is more bullish now. We have more power. The 2025, 2026 bull market is going to be stronger than the 2021. So this also tell you guys to stay positive, to stay bullish. We're heading towards a real major altcoin season. Don't get shaken out, right? I do think now we still have a long way to go. The best way is to just hold your spot bags. That's what I'm doing. I'm not trying to leverage trade. I'm not trying to outsmart the market. I'm not trying to be the guy calling the tops and whatnot. I do see the strength, and I do admire the strength, and I do respect the strength when I see it, and we do have a lot of strength today in the market. One last coin before you go. XLM is the same thing as XRP, outperforming 2021, making it look like it's a bear market rally. 2 weeks, one of the highest weekly close on XLM. This is a 2020, this is a coin since 2017. It did a 250x back in 2017. You can see here in 2017 as well. In 2021, it barely came back to its all-time high in 2017, but in 2017 it did a 250x, while XRP did a 500x in 2017. This was the best bull market ever witnessed. It was 2017 was the best mark, where most of the people we see today that have made it in crypto made it in 2017. And you can see now we are massively outperforming after nothing. You see this, like it was looking like it's a dead coin. Suddenly 2 weeks it's surging. Why is that? Mostly because Bitcoin started pumping and 100k retail came back, and also institutions and people that remember 2017 started bidding these coins, and these coins are pumping, outperforming 2021 bull market, which signifies that we might get a bigger bull market than in 2021. We hope so. We damn hope so, and we don't want to jinx it, but it looks like it is happening, and we're gonna get a bigger bull market than 2021. So congratulations guys. This looks really bullish here. And the reason as well these coins and this bull market is looking stronger than in 2021. Now this is the first time ever that we have Bitcoin ETFs and ETH ETFs, right? That's why also I'm very bullish on ETH. We do have ETFs, which means Wall Street now is on our side. We do have Trump, which is a pro-crypto president, and the SEC, Gary Gensler, is out. So the SEC is now not a problem anymore. That's why XLM and XRP is pumping as well. But also this gonna bring a lot of relief towards altcoins and altcoins pumping and all that. And this also means we're gonna have a bigger bull market than in 2021, because back here guys we had a lot of problems. Actually the bull market ended with China banning Bitcoin and banning mining and banning all that, and we started having a lot of SEC problems and stuff like that. So if that didn't happen, I do think we could have had a bigger bull market. So now we are seeing it actually playing out. So I hope this was helpful guys. We're just getting started, and a bull market is still ongoing. The bull market is still just getting started. Don't lose hope, or don't get shaken out by any price action that you see today or tomorrow or next week or stuff like that. I do think we're gonna see a very big bull market, and soon we're to see ETH meme coins do something magical. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support the channel. You can as well join my Discord, link in the description. It's free to join. You can as well follow me on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching today's video till the end, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.